Hello, and thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're going to be having a look at a toy hauler made by Forest River. This is a 2016 Vengeance 25V. This trailer weighs 6,300 pounds, so it is half-ton towable. Have two LP tanks up here on the front. It's a plate for a generator. Batteries would be installed there. Outside showers here. The holding tanks to dump them. Now this toy hauler has the walkout patio here on the rear ramp, suspended by these two cables. It has this little fence around it. Large power awning. Goes all the way down here. Looks like it's probably about 18 to 20 feet. There is an LED light strip located right up there in the bottom of that too. Lights up white. There's two doors into this coach. That one leading into the bedroom. This one here into the back. Two outside marine speakers. A TV mounting bracket there. Inside you have this large area. You can fit some rather big toys in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tie downs. It says an electric bed comes down from the roof, and these here turn into benches, which you can also put down, and then they'll connect together and you have one large bed going across here, the exact same size as this one up here. I can't get this, but this opens up. There's a screen that drops down, or you could black it out. Real big sink. Convection microwave. 3 gas burners on top. It's an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. TV bracket here, with a couple of USB ports. CD player. It does have Bluetooth, so you can pair your phone to it. The taller guys will appreciate this. It has stand-up shower. It goes all the way up. I'd say it's probably at least 7.5, 8 feet tall. Lots of space there. Here's the bedroom. Little closets on each side. Storage underneath as well. And there's a table that comes with the coach that is for those 2 benches that fold down over there, and you have that table in between. Again, this is a 2016 Vengeance 25V made by Forest River. Weight on this trailer, again, 6,300 pounds. Paul Sherry RVs, Piqua, Ohio. Come check us out.
Shopping for an RV can be very difficult. There's so many makes and models to choose from. And how do you ever know if you're going to get a good deal on what you're buying? My name is Mike Sherry, and I'm with Paul Sherry RVs. Our goal is to make your RV buying experience as fun and painless as possible, and of course, provide you with the best deal in the market. But don't take my word for it. Go online and read all of our reviews from happy customers of ours. Feel free to call, email, or chat into us with any questions you might have.